Welcome. Today we will discuss regarding project guidelines. Myself, Sharon Thomas. First of all, application for end semester university examination will be accepted only after submission of project report in the college. There will be viva votes that will be conducted by the university after the semester examination by a board which comprises of 3 examiners, and at least one of them will be external examiner. This is a fact that you need to remember. There will be a viva voce. Regarding selection of organization, the management project which has to be undertaken by the student upon any functional area, it can be either in a private or in a public organization. And regarding the nature of subjects, the nature of subjects to be selected are problems like capital management, fund allocation, labor turnover, effectiveness of labor welfare program, labor availability, scarcity, dispute settlement, customer satisfaction, etc. So, the broad area of research may be marketing, finance, HR, operations, and so on. You can discuss this with your guide. So, before finalization, you can have a look at some of the research articles that are published in various sources, and you can search regarding the same using Google Scholar, ResearchGate, or any other sources. Mark allotment. The project report that you given, it has to be in hard copy and hard bind. The project viva consists of 50 marks. So I repeat, project report will be 50 mark, project viva will be a 50 mark.